Hi guys, Mr. Outcast Truck here. Just a quick walk around my 95 Subaru Liberty. It has speedo, my aftermarket headset. She's not the best condition, but it's mine. Needs a brand new dash mat. It's a bit dirty. Here's the back. Look a bit dirty, like I said. Now I'll step outside and show you the outside. 2 seconds. Pretty good shape for the year. I had a bit of a bump yesterday in the rain, but I'll get that fixed up as soon as I can. In pretty good shape. Got the original rim, all original stuff on it still. It's a bit funny. To find the latch. Clean under the bonnet. Well, so overall, really good car. Yeah. There she is, my 95 Subaru Liberty. Thanks for watching.